Hey, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna do another continuation of getting this thing ready for rebuilding. And what I have at hand are a driver, and I'm not sure I want to do a regular impact because I'm very concerned about wringing that thing off. So I'd rather have it not over torque it, and see if that'll be enough. If it's not, I can always go to the bigger guns. But we're going to start with this first, this impact driver. We're going to use a unusual socket. This is 3/8 8-point, or a double square, and that should fit over this socket, fit over that bolt there, and kind of cheated a little bit. I heated this thing yesterday to a dull red, and let it cool, and hopefully that'll be able to loosen the rust and get that done, because I don't think penetrating oil, I've been disappointed with penetrating oil. I used to be a member of the coil cargo cult, but I don't think it does the trick anymore. So I got my impact there. I'm gonna put my ears on, and this thing should not be loose like this. This is the way it was found, which is telling me this thing was having problems. So we're gonna hold that and see if that'll work. Oh, works a treat. So that's a unique hold down device for a trap. One of the weak points, I think, but somehow it got loose because let me see if we can. Yeah, that's the way it was found. This thing was, well, maybe it worked loose in shipment, I'm not sure. But there's your seal right there. And there should be a circular copper compressed ring in there somewhere. Stainless steel pin. You can see there is marks of previous use. There's the float ball and the pivot point. I think there's a little part missing in there. And there is the, yeah, that's the seat. Ah, yeah, that's supposed to fit in there somehow. Whoop, I'm sorry, I was out of frame there. I apologize for that. Yeah, this is supposed to, there's a little pin missing or something, and that's supposed to go on here. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, there's the compression ring. There. So as I think I showed you in the last video, the parts. There's what the compression ring looks like. There's the gasket. I think this has, I think you can see the flecks of asbestos on it, letting you know it's definitely original. And here's what it should look like. Yeah, see, that's been staked to not come out, and yet this that came right on out. That got beat to hell. That was not due to the impact that I know of. So I'm gonna hit this with the grinder and scrape down the gasket on the other one, and then fit that inside there. Make sure that that surface is fairly clean. We'll start putting this thing back together, but that will be for another video. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.